Hi everybody, welcome to
Take a risk in the kitchen.
Today we're going to make one of the delicious and really nice Eastery recipes. What is it, Juliet?
Hot cross buns.
Exactly, hot cross buns with all that spices and all the sweets and nice fruits inside. Yes, Juliet. So would you like to see one of those? Please watch us until the end, and we'll be showing to you all the recipe until the end. So Juliet will be preparing everything and you just will be following, and I will be having the pleasure to eat it, right?
I'm bringing them back. You know what? I'm gonna smack them out. Okay, you can continue.
Okay guys, so as you see, if you want to see those beauties being eaten by us, follow us the recipe and you can try at home as well. So now, don't forget to follow us, leave your like, and subscribe, and share with your friends and colleagues.
Wait! The ingredients are in the description. You gotta like, subscribe, share with your friends and family,
And
please support our channel.
support our channel. Guys, follow us now to the recipe.
So first off, for hot cross buns, we're going to add 500 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of caster sugar, 10 grams of salt, 10 grams of dried yeast, okay, one orange zest, okay, number 6, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of mixed spice powder, and in this mixed spice powder, it is with cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. For number 7, we're going to add 40 grams of butter. You can scoop it on out of your hands if it's hard. For number 8, we're going to add and now for 8, it is 140 milliliters of milk and 120 milliliters of water, because if you just add milk to a hot cross bun, it is going to be more dense. And the final thing, we're going to add 2 eggs. Now in our machine, we're going to mix it for 10 minutes. And now that's done mixing for 10 minutes, we are now going to leave it until it doubles the size, or in 2 hours. See you soon! Okay, so now that we've let the dough proof for 2 hours, we are now going to take some air out of it. Okay, that's weird. And my hand. Okay, now that we've taken out the air from our hot cross bun mix, we are now going to add the fruits, which is 100 grams of sultanas, 100 grams of apricot, and 50 grams of cherries. Then we're going to mix it. Okay, now that we have reached this stage of the mixing process, we are going to mix this by hand to make it all mix up together. So first, we are going to splash some flour . I mean as much as you can get out. That's what I mean by that. And then we just drop some flour over the dough, and we just mix it. And you can probably use your little cutting knife. Then sprinkle some more flour in there. And then we just mix. Okay, so now that I've done my little batch over here, they line up very perfectly. We are now going to cut this dough into 10 pieces. Okay, so we're going to cut here in the middle. Two up here. Two up here. Two up here. And two over here. And just be mindful, you need to put the little balls close to each other so you have more space for the other ones, because they're going to grow big. Just grow like this. Put it in your cup again. Grow something like this. Place them together like this. Okay, so now that we're all done with our things, we are going to let it proof for like another hour, and then we're going to put a little cross on it. Now that the hot cross buns have proven for an hour, we are now going to put the cross onto our little hot cross buns and put it in the oven. So first, you go across like this. Okay, now for the final touches. Okay, now we've done that, we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. That has been preheated to 220 degrees. Okay, now that hot cross buns are out the oven, we are going to glaze them with golden syrup. Just take your egg wash brush, go with golden syrup, and just swipe them across. Swipe them across all here. You may need a couple of dips on here. Wipe them all around so they're crispy golden. Okay, now it's time to
eat. Guys, I have to confess, it looks just amazing. Can you please hold? My goodness. Guys, I think we cannot hold anymore. I think we should try.
Yep.
I'm gonna open it and show it to you how fluffy and fruity it is, guys. It is delicious. Do you like it? Do you approve? Shall we cook again? Shall they cook in their home? Yes?
Stop talking with your mouth full.
Oh, I'm sorry, but the hot cross bun is delicious. Guys, try at home, because I tried and I'm gonna make again until Easter and after Easter. Right?
Yeah.
Now it's my time to enjoy and eat. Guys, see you next video. Bye.